Now we're going to talk about the point, slope, and general forms of lines. So far we've done the slope-intercept form, and now we're going to look at the point-slope form, which is this, and the general form, which is this. So now we know the formula for slope. We've used that. And if we multiply both sides by x2 minus x1, we're going to get this sucker. And if we make x and y the variables, we arrive at the point-slope equation of the line. What is it? It's y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Notice how I took off the 2's on these because x's and y's are variables. We don't know what they are. And this is the point-slope equation of a line. Now we're going to use it to get the point-slope equation of a line. Then we're going to get the general form. And then I'm going to show you that you can convert the general form to slope-intercept form if you need to. Here we go. So we want to look at y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Well, we know what the slope is. y1 is -1, x1 is 4, and the slope is -2. So let's plop them in. Y minus -1 is equal to -2, x minus 4. So we're going to get y plus 1, distribute the -2, and now I'm going to get all the constants to one side and all the variables to the other. So I'll subtract 1 here. So we get y is equal to -2x plus 7. And I'm going to add the 2x to the other side. So we'll get 2x plus y equals 7. This is the general. Okay. This guy is the slope-intercept. So you have to be careful in my math lab. Sometimes they'll ask for the slope-intercept, and sometimes they'll ask for the general form. For the general form, you need constants here, and then the x's first with the coefficient in front of the x, and then the y guy second. Let's do another one. So it's y minus y1 is equal to mx take away x1. So here we go. Y minus 2, because that's the y value. M is 1/4. X minus a -3. Now let's clean this up a little bit. There's a couple ways to do it. I would really love it if I could get rid of this 4 in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply everything through by 4. 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So the 4's will divide out quite nicely here. And then I will get 4y take away 8 is equal to x minus a negative plus 3. So now I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Subtract x from both sides. So -x plus 4y is equal to 11. In this case, it's simpler to write the equation in general form rather than in slope-intercept form, because we have nice whole numbers in general form. In slope-intercept form, we're going to get an awful lot of fractions. Now, we are going to write linear equations when we have 2 points and we're not given the slope. So the first step is you need to find the slope. Second step, use the slope and then pick one of the points. Use the point-slope form, write it in whatever form they ask you to. So step 1, let's get the slope. y2, take away y1, x2, take away x1. y2 is 2, take away y1, which is negative 3. x2 is 4, take away 1. So this will be 5 over 3 is my slope. Then I'm going to use the point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So I'm going to pick one of the points. I'm going to pick the one that has the whole numbers in it. So y take away 2 is equal to m, which is 5/3, x take away 4. So now I am going to get rid of this 3 by multiplying everything through by 3. These 3's divide out quite nicely, and I'll get 3y take away 6, keep in mind these are multiplied, is equal to 5 times x minus 4. Distribute the 5. And now move stuff around. I'm going to add the 6, subtract the 5x, and the result will be negative 5x plus 3y is equal to 20. Take away 6 is 14, but it's negative because I owe you $20. So again, this is the general form, and this one is a lot better looking than the slope-intercept form in this case. The general form doesn't help you as much when you have to graph the line as slope-intercept form does. Now, the next one here, if we're savvy, we can do it quickly. Let's look. First, we need to find the slope. So it's y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. y2 is 5. Take away y1, which is negative 1. x2 is 0. Take away a negative 2. So this will be 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 6 over 2, which my slope is 3. So if I look at this right here, this is actually the y-intercept. So we can bammo, bablamo, write the equation of the line using slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Now, if they want you to write it in general form, just move that 3x over to the other side by subtraction. And we get negative 3x plus y is equal to 5. This is general. This one is slope-intercept. So we can write either one of those, and my math lab will specify the one that they want. Now you can do your next assignment. Go for it.